Hi, welcome to Q's. I'm Chuck. We got this Tommy gate in here that the customer wanted installed in their tailgate. So I had to remove the bumper in the rear tailgate. Give you a quick rundown. This is a simple, easy thing to install. A couple little drill holes, a little welding, easy done. It's new, so it's a little tough. Just fold this down. Makes it easy for them to get cargo in and out of the back of the bed of the truck. Fairly simple process. Lifts 1,300 pounds. Right up to where you need to be. We are a full Tommy gate dealer. We will install pretty much any Tommy gate you want on any vehicle. We're located in Amherst, New Hampshire. You'll probably see the number in some of our videos, but we're here to service any way we can. Thank you for your time.